I would say that this camp is more than just about sketch comedy. You get all sorts of skills. You learn how to write, you learn how to write quickly, you learn how to revise your work.
You'd write, then they would tell you another thing about how to write, so then you'd revise. It was so structured that it made it easy to write it. Like, I wrote 2 sketches in like 5 days, which I've never done before.
I'm still not perfect, but a lot of my public speaking has gotten better because I got good at the projecting and stuff.
You learn how to work with other people who you might not get along with all the time. You're able to put in a bunch of work and make something really special at the end. It's just super fulfilling to see something that I wrote, that I came up with, I wrote down, be directed, be performed, have all the other individual actors put their own individual spins on the characters and do different things and really just bring my idea to life.
I've made such good friends and it's been such a welcoming community.
It sounds so cheesy, but my favorite part is all the connections and friendships that I've made, because there are so many amazing people here, and it's wonderful because you get here and you're like, I don't think that I necessarily fit with all those people, but even if you don't think you're gonna make any friends, you're wrong, you will, whether you like it or not. There's definitely a place for everybody here.
It's just such a really good centered environment. Like every person is so kind, so welcoming.
I think this year has been a lot more spiritual, and it's definitely increased my testimony, which is pretty cool.
We had a devotional about how to use comedy to glorify God. That was taught by Kiara, and that was specifically really strengthening to my testimony.
I wouldn't have such a strong testimony right now if it weren't for how much I truly believe in comedy and in acting and the power of the stage and the power of sketch comedy to lift people up and to bring people closer to Christ.
Comedy is service. It makes people laugh, it helps people feel happy, and a lot of comedy outside of our community is non-faith promoting, and so I think it's really special that we're able to come together as comedians and believers and use our work to glorify God.
If you're thinking about going, you should just go because you will be so funny.
Oh, I get to have this great food, I get to have great instructors, I get to learn something, I get to act. It's just, if you're passionate about acting or comedy, it's so worth it.
You know, your relationships with other people grow, and I just think it challenges you to become a better writer and a better actor and a better performer, and why not go? There's no reason to not go.